Hello friends, welcome again to my channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow Pro. So friends, do you know how the potato grows? And if I say you can grow it at your home very easily. In this video, I am going to show a simple way to grow potato at your home garden or terrace garden or kitchen garden that is also absolutely free. So to know everything about it, how to do, please stay connected to the video till the end. So let's start the video. So friends, potato can be grown from its tubers. It can also grown from seeds, but it's best to grow it from the tuber. It is quick and productive. You all must be having the potatoes at your home, and you may have observed that sometimes it sprouts automatically. So that's the right time for the sowing the potato into the soil. So potato has a tendency to sprout while its germination conditions are maintained. So when potato tubers are sprouted, then we are not using them for the food and throwing it away into dustbin. So instead of that, you can preserve those tubers and sow it into some pot, some bucket or some tray. You should only ensure that the tray must be minimum 10 to 12 inch deep, and you can sow into multiple media also. Here I am going to sow it into coco pit with the hydroponic method, but you can also sow it into the media made of coco pit and compost, or you can also sow it the media made of soil and the compost mixture also. Here I am going to sow it very easily into the coco pit media and going to nourish them with the hydroponic nutrient. I have collected a few potato tuber, and you can see that the nice sprouting is there on the tuber, and you can see that 1, 2 and 3 sprouts are there, and there are some sprouts yet expected to come out. So I am going to sow this into this tray which is filled of coco pit. So to sow this tuber into the coco pit media, we must dig the hole equivalent to the minimum 2 times the diameter of this potato. So we'll dig a hole deep enough so that we can have at least twice the thickness of this potato, the coco pit over it. So we'll simply place in a position that all the shoots stay into upward position like this, and we'll cover it with the coco pit. Here we have wetted the coco pit in advance, so we'll not water up till the sprouts come out of this coco pit. You can maintain the same thing when you sow it into the soil. So I am sowing the second one also with the same depth. So with this simple way, I have sown this potato tuber into my trays. You should at least maintain 1.5 feet by 1.5 feet distance for one tuber, and that will give you a good output. So after this, what type of care we should take and what nourishment we should do, I will make a separate video on it and share with you in the near future. But right now, we are just completing our sowing into other trays also.